show with something that is such a great solution. And I think one of the great things you're going to love about this show is the prices, but often that you are picking up on more than one. Because how often do you get something home and then you think, oh, should have got another one? Well, we've got you covered, because this is a set of 2 canvas baskets, and they come with a drawstring. You know, think about it. Maybe someone needs to come and fix your toilet, or, you know, you don't necessarily want the top of your laundry seen. Or if you're kind of wanting to hide things away and just have that zen moment on a Sunday morning where you're not having to think, oh, I need to do laundry or whatever. Could be the kids' toys you want to hide. This is a great way to do it. This is the Cella set of 2 canvas baskets. V84882 is your item number. They are on clearance at $19.99, so they're basically $10 each, which when you see the quality of this, this is an amazing price, and it's the first day you're seeing it at this low price. So let's get into the colors, and then I'll bring in Jen. So this is, if you're looking for that really great neutral, this is cream linen. You can ignore the pink, that's just the towels that we've got inside. So very, very simple. If you love that kind of neutral look, that's going to be great. Then we have the blue sky stripe. Almost like a kind of, it gives me like beach hut vibes. Kind of feels very South Beach, that color. And then we also have the glacier gray. So if you're looking for another solid, something that's simple, maybe pairs back with other things, like I have gray cabinets in my bathroom. You know, maybe if you do, you're thinking, yeah, I want to go with the gray. Those are the colors that we have available. Joining us is a food and lifestyle expert, as well as a mum of 2, so she knows a thing or two about keeping a tidy home, is Jen Kovic.
So good to see you.
It's so good to see you too. I feel like I always see you, but we're not together.
I know, right?
You're always here, but we're not together.
I am always here.
It is great to have you on this Friday.
Thank you, thank you. It's good to be here. You know, we're really excited because you've already said it, that why get one when you can get 2? And I love that you are getting 2 of these, because really this is one of those items that you will think, oh my gosh, I wish I'd had 2. What we love most about this is a couple things. One, that tie closure. So like you've already said it, if you have guests arriving or someone unexpectedly arrives and you want to cram everything in to the basket, you perfectly can, but then also cinching it up tightly means that you cannot see what is on top. And you know, aside from that, it's also just because maybe it's unsightly and you yourself do not want to necessarily see it. We love the capacity here as well, because it gives you that 18-inch diameter and 20 inches high, with also a 20-pound weight capacity, Sam.
That's a lot of potatoes.
That's a lot of potatoes.
I mean, I know you're not going to be putting potatoes in there, but if you're using this, you know, if you've got the shoes by the door,
yes,
because you know you're not wearing 50 pairs of shoes, but you know, so half
what
of
do you
those
do with the other 49?
Yeah, can go in there when they're not being worn.
Absolutely, but also toys. I think of this for the kids' toys
and the dog toys.
And the dog toys. If you have a dog with this many toys, I applaud you. But quite frankly, I know that we do have some customers that do.
I was looking after my friend's 3 dogs last year, and they definitely, I would just go around the house, be like, they have more cuddly toys than most kids.
That's so funny. Well, you know what else is really interesting is, because we give you that 20-pound weight capacity, we need to be able to accommodate that and like beef it up, right? So we've given you that steel ring all the way around the top, and on the bottom we give you these incredible helper handles as well. So if you have a child maybe in a dorm room, you have a college student, how are they getting their clothes to your house, let's be honest, to do the laundry when it comes to a holiday break, or when they need to take it to the laundromat or wherever they're doing their laundry in college? This is a great item to have for that, because not only do you get this incredible weight capacity, but also being able to cinch that top makes it really easy that nothing is going to fall out. So think about all the wet items here too. So maybe it's in the pool house or near the pool and you want to put your wet towels in here. You can absolutely do that, because we give you an Oxford canvas on the exterior, but then I want to open this up and show you, we actually give you a protectant layer on the inside. It's a completely different feel. So we've sprayed the inside, so that way it's more like a vinyl on the inside, so you can just wipe it clean with some water and a cloth.
Okay, easy to wipe clean, great capacity, holds up to 20 pounds. Definitely, if you're getting this for college kids, recommend that they use it to go to the laundromat, not to bring it home to you. We've all been there. So this is your glacier gray, and remember, you're getting a set of 2, and this is the first time you're seeing it at this price. This gray has been the most popular. Lots of you coming in for this. We have the blue sky stripe. If you're looking for that kind of nautical look, or just maybe adding some pattern in if you have a house that's that's quite plain. It can be a fun way to do it. And then this is the cream linen. So just very, very light, soft, great texture, and of course that incredible capacity, whatever size you're going for.
Absolutely. Now, speaking of texture, I don't want you to fret that when you get these home, these only are crinkled because we've had them in a box, because they do fully collapse. So this is how they will arrive to you, is just like this. But then you simply just unfold them. Now, after a day or so, it will actually flatten out, so you will not have those crinkles. But what I love is, like you mentioned, if you want to just add a little pattern, add a little color, this is a really nice minimalistic way of doing that without it being overly done. So it's a nice transition, even if it's just a small little pattern or color that you want to add. I do love that also you mentioned that it is textural, because not only does it look textural, it actually has that textural feel. With the Oxford canvas, it's almost like a denim type look or feel, and it really is extra durable, easy to keep clean, great durability, 20-pound weight capacity. You know, and a lot of these,
clothes.
It's a lot of clothes. But like you said, it's also, think of outside the box. It's the shoes, it's the sporting equipment for the kids, it's their toys.
Hats, scarves right now.
Exactly, yes, absolutely. So you can really load this up and you don't have to worry about it losing its structure or its integrity. It's just a great item to have. All of these patterns also, if you've been a Cella collector over the years, they all match back. We have not changed the color. We haven't done anything like that. So we really want to be able to build on your collection.
Yeah, and you're not going to find Cella anywhere else. So, you know, this is really a great opportunity. First time we're seeing it at this low price. And think about it. You know, the fact is, when you're not using this, if you're kind of thinking, well, I don't have the space for it, I was going to say it's collapsible.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm like, it's not collapsing. But go on, Jen, you do it.
No.
It's easy to...
I'll use my lap.
Yeah, there we go. It's easy to press down, put it out of the way, but then when you need that storage, you can hop up and...
That's right.
I love that. That was like a magic trick. I really wanted you to pull a rabbit out of there. I was like, wow, she's good. Well, it's giving slightly circus vibes with the stripes.
If you don't even want to worry about cinching it, you just want to keep this in your laundry room. If you were to pick up maybe some glacier gray and that cream linen, and you want to teach the kids to do laundry, you can push that liner inside, and essentially it kind of becomes a liner, because that cinched top just opens right up, and then you can put all of your whites and then all of your darks and your colors in one bin. So it's a really fun way to kind of add creativity to your laundry room as well.
Do you know what I learned on social media? That apparently the kids don't separate laundry anymore, which I'm like, well, they wait until they have that one red sock incident, and they'll learn the hard way. Okay, quick reminder of the colors. You have been loving this glacier gray. Remember, you're getting a 20-pound capacity, and you're getting this set of 2 of these canvas baskets from Cella with that drawstring closure, so you can hide away anything that you don't want to be seen. Great for being able to clear up the clutter in just minutes, and all for 20 bucks. Then this is the blue sky stripe, and then we also have that set of 2 in that cream linen. Jen is going to be joining us for a lot of this hour, so you're going to be popping in and out. We're very excited to have you here. So do stay tuned, and if you're looking for great storage solutions, we have a brilliant one coming up right now.